Hello everyone, as you can see we've got a gigantic box in front of us, hence the different view. It is 4 feet long, so I'm not going to do the typical YouTube, bet you can't guess what this is type thing. You guys saw the description, you know it's UltraSabers. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm looking forward to seeing what we have here. We'll go ahead and go from the bottom. This is not my first UltraSaber purchase. I've received them in the past. They are super awesome. If you've been on the channel for a while, you know that I've got Black Series Lightsabers as well as the ones that you build at Sabers at on Batu at Galaxy's Edge. So the reason I like these is because you can actually go full contact and you don't have to worry about breaking anything, which is, for me, is a huge thing. So let's go ahead and get this out. All right. So what we've got here now, we've got a plug, we've got an Allen wrench, and then we have, looks like 2 sabers wrapped up here. So we'll take a closer look and see what we've got. There we go. Tape's really easy to pull apart, which is nice. Very nice. And we'll definitely be taking a closer look at these in just a moment. Just want to get these out of the bubble wrap so we can take a closer look. Nice. All right. And let's go ahead and get the bubble wrap out of the way, and that way we can really see what we have on the table. All right, so now we're back to our traditional view and we can see the hilts here for the different sabers. So as you can see, they are 2 very different sabers. This one here was a grab bag one, and this one is a little bit more special. So we'll come back to that in just a moment. I'm actually really happy with this. It's got the upgraded hilt here, where it's got the color on there. It's very similar to a double-bladed lightsaber that I already have from UltraSaber, so this will go really, really well with that. And it's actually one that I got for my daughter, so it'd be nice where we can have similar. So let's go ahead and take a look at the color. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up that very well. As you can see, it is a blue color. I will turn off all the lights in just a little bit so we can take a closer look at the coloration. It looks really good. There is no sound with this one, but it is very nice as it is. So happy with that. The other one, however, this one's a little heavier. Actually a lot heavier, I'm surprised. Okay. And as you can see, it is a little bit different hilt. And I like the black with the silver there. Let's go ahead and light her up. As you can see, it has sound. It is a green one, which is nice. I really, really like this a lot. I think this is my first UltraSaber that has sound, so I'm excited to see how this thing goes. Something that is different on this switch than my other switches is you can't just push the button. If you push the button, you're gonna get some battle sound and whatnot. If you hold down the button, that's how you turn it off. So I am extremely happy with these. I can't say anything else. I like the way that they feel. I'm really looking forward to seeing how well I can twirl with this inlet here. I think it's going to give me a good grip on that. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the bag here to see what we have. Looks like we've got 2 business cards here for UltraSabers. If you do you have a preferred lightsaber these are usually the ones that I go with at this point for ones that aren't necessarily screen accurate. But if there's ones that you prefer, definitely put them down in the description, or sorry, the comments down below. I will leave a link in the description to UltraSabers just so you've got that. And it probably will not be an affiliate link. And then inside here, we also have an Allen wrench, which is what you need to take out the blade. And then you also, this is a plug when you do take out the blade. So something that comes up quite a bit is a question, how do you change the plug or take out the blade? So let's go ahead and do that. I just need to loosen this up. If you didn't buy the Allen wrench from UltraSaber, don't worry about that. You can get one. It's just a standard Allen wrench. Nothing special about it. So let's put that in. Let's tighten it up. And as you can see, you got a little bit upgraded plug there, which is cool. So it works like a flashlight. Super cool. I actually have two other blade plugs, so I thought that might be good to take a look at. This is a standard, and this is another upgraded one. As you can see, that one is the black. This one is the gold, which would probably go much better with this. So let's go ahead and take these out, take a closer look at them. That way you can see what they look like when they are lit up. I know it's something I would be interested in because I didn't know what they'd look like beforehand very well, except for a couple of pictures. So we'll see how that goes. And again, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. Any comments about other lightsabers that you've purchased, definitely put those in as well. Yeah. So as you can see, it's just straight. You got the around the outside of the rim there. I'm not going to do this one because it's basically just going to look like that one. So not much else to show. So we'll go ahead and actually we can just leave that off. So that's that. Super happy with them. What I like about the UltraSabers is they feel real. They're solid. You know, they're unlike, you know, it's definitely not plastic. The grab bags, they're not that expensive. I mean, I think they're like between 50 and 75 normally, and they're always running specials. So if you're looking to pick one up and you're not exactly sure what you want, I mean, I definitely recommend buying the grab bag first. Get your feet wet, see what you like. See if it's something you even want. You know, if you're not actually going to be using them with contact, you may not want one of these. At the same time, the grab bag, it's less expensive than what you're going to get from the Black Series or anything like that. But again, what is nice about it is you can customize them to be something that you want. So what I am going to do though is I'm going to do a couple of things with the lights out, and I'll be right back. All right, so I turned off the lights, the different colored lights, so we hopefully can see a better look at the blades. As you can see, that is definitely blue. Turn that off, and that is definitely green. I think you can see it better around rather than actually on here. So I am very happy with these. UltraSabers always comes through, and like I said, they're always running those deals as well. So let's see if you can tell. Maybe you can see that better. It's a perfect green and a perfect blue, so I'm happy with those. All right, so with all of that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. And me, myself, being a professional geek, I like to share things that I find of interest to me. So with that, have a great day.